The Aquascape Dosing System SL makes it easier than ever to keep ponds, waterfalls, and fountains looking beautiful. To keep your water feature clean and clear, it is important to add the correct water treatments on a consistent basis. With the wide array of treatment options and dosing regimens available, it can be frustrating and time-consuming remembering which treatments to add, how much to add, and when to add them. This automated device is an electronically operated dispenser that accurately and consistently applies specially formulated water treatments to water features. The unit's durable injection-molded housing is built to last and, if desired, can be concealed by partially burying the unit into the ground. The innovative hood design with mounted control panel effectively hides and protects the components from weather conditions. The SL is great for water features from 50 gallons up to 2,250 gallons, from decorative fountains to waterfalls and small ponds. For larger water features, consider using the Smart Pond Dosing System XT. Setup is easy. Simply set the control panel for your water feature size and enjoy the benefits. Use the button on the control panel to select the proper setting for your water feature size. The system is designed for use with Simple Solutions SL treatments, which combine multiple treatments into single formulations to resolve a wide variety of issues, including cloudy water, unpleasant odors, and excessive debris. Treatments are available in 32-ounce bottles. The Dosing System SL includes the durable enclosure, control panel, intake assembly, internal and external treatment tubing, and low-voltage transformer. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 30 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.